Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Aetna health insurance, quick tutorial step by step. To activate your Aetna health insurance, begin by visiting the official Aetna website. Look for the option that says member login or activate your account. Click on it to proceed to the login page. If you're a new user, select the option for creating a new account. You will be prompted to enter your personal information. This usually includes your name, date of birth, and Aetna member ID. Make sure to have your Aetna card handy for reference. Once you've entered your information, click on the Continue button. Next, you'll receive instructions to verify your identity. This may involve answering security questions or receiving a code via email or text. After verification, you'll be able to create a username and password. Choose a strong password to ensure your account's security. Once your account is successfully created, log in using your new credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Account Settings section. Here, you can complete the activation process. Follow any additional prompts to confirm your activation. Once activated, take a moment to explore your member benefits. This will help you familiarize yourself with your coverage and resources. Congratulations, you've successfully activated your Aetna health insurance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.